Hey guys, my name's Sarah and I am so excited to tell you about Segway-Ninebot's E2 series of electric kick scooters. We're launching these as an entry-level option that packs some of the best basic features at an affordable price point. The lineup includes the original E2 and the higher spec E2 Plus. The E2 Plus packs sufficient power in a 300-watt motor and 12% climbing slope, and the E2 has a 250-watt motor with 12% climbing slope as well. The E2 series integrated 2.8-inch LED dashboard is definitely an eye-catcher with crisp, ultra-wide landscape display. By orienting the screen horizontally, it aligns naturally with the rider's view, making it easier to see and control. So you can check speed, battery level, and riding mode at a glance without losing focus on the road. Underneath, you've got 8.1-inch inner hollow tires that absorb bumps and never go flat. They're solid, maintenance-free, puncture-resistant, and have great shock absorption. Rated to support over 100 kilograms, this automotive steel grade can withstand heavy daily use. Water resistance reaches IPX4 on the main scooter body and IPX6 on the battery compartment. It's built to last against splashes and spills. The brakes use e-ABS braking up front and rear drum brakes in the back to provide balance, smooth deceleration, and sure stops. See clearly and make yourself visible with the 2.1-watt LED headlight, providing 13.5 meters of illumination. Folded down in one simple step, the entire scooter collapses compactly for no-hassle transport in tight spaces. Transport it easily between cars, public transit, elevators, and more. An intelligent battery management system monitors battery health in real time. It protects against issues like short circuits, overheating, and overcharging, maximizing power efficiency and longevity. The E2 series integrates Bluetooth connectivity to let you sync your scooter with your smartphones through the Segway app. This gives you wireless control to lock and unlock your scooter and customize ride profiles all on your phone. So there you have it, the new E2 series electric kick scooters. To recap, the E2 series delivers on all the essentials for entry-level riders. Long enough range, slick portability, a robust yet lightweight build, and smart controls. Whether you're looking to dip your toes into e-scooters for the first time or want reliable last-mile transportation on a budget, the E2 series has you covered. Thanks for listening. Now scoot on.